Hey guys, I just found an app where you can earn money while playing fun games on your phone. And don't worry because it's free to make the account and you can start now. Just click the link down below and start earning easy money today. This app is called FreeCash. So after clicking the link down below, we are now going to make an account. So just click sign up and put your email and password and wait for it to load. After making an account, you will then receive a welcome gift, and when you go to rewards section, you will see more rewards, so make sure to be consistent to earn more rewards. You can also follow them on Twitter and download their app. So here I'm going to withdraw my earnings. So just click PayPal and select the amount that you're going to withdraw. After that step, go to the withdrawal section and click claim cash out. After that, you will be redirected here, so make sure to put your email and password to receive the amount. You will then receive an email, and after that, it will go to your PayPal account. And don't forget to use the link down below and click the subscribe button.